Washtenaho. I am Grandfather Eagle Soaring Overhead. What you're looking at here with the eyes of the eagle through a mechanical drone are the Basalt cliffs from Washington State. Basalt is a power stone for my people because it is what the Earth Mother has pushed up, creating these columns, creating these energies, which can become either crumbled and into soil, or they can become these great columns that remain as pillars, a foundation. Mountains are made from these basalt cliffs. Hills are made from these basalt cliffs. And like a person's soul, you are made of these foundations. This is the energy that I would bring to all of you. This is the energy that I would ask you to resource within yourself. Looking at these beautiful cliffs, seeing them from the perspective of an eagle through a technical drone. My grandson is showing you the energies and how the tops of them can be jagged or can be run smooth, can teach you the lessons of your soul, that your soul, like these basalt cliffs, are made of experience after experience. The basalt is the Earth Mother's, the soul is yours. I ask you to look at your soul, see what is there. There are many ways to do this, but the easiest way is just to allow yourself to be in touch with your energies, and from that, see what pillars exist inside your soul that make you unique and who you are. Danaho.